Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on Yatrika Diaries, I'm gonna share with you my top travel tips for beginners. Make sure you keep these things in mind the next time you plan your vacation, be it domestic or international. Now, if you enjoy watching, then please like, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe to Yatrika Diaries. Without any further delay, let's begin with the video. The first and most useful tip is to travel during the shoulder months. What does shoulder month mean? Let me explain with an example. Europe, one of the most visited destinations in the world, has a peak season between June to August. Now, during this season, huge crowds pour into the continent from all around the world as the weather is perfect around this time. This makes Europe extremely crowded and the airfare and hotel rates are at an all-time high. So, what to do? To save some money and also enjoy the tourist attractions with fewer crowds, it is better to visit the place just before or after the peak season, which in this case is between April to May or September to October. This weather is decent and definitely less crowded. You can also get good discounts for your flight and hotels. My next travel tip is to plan your vacation ahead of time. It really helps you get good deals and you will feel less stressed since you have time to book your flights, trains, hotels and plan your budget ahead. Now if you're traveling within your country, it is best if you start your prep at least 45 days in advance. And if you are traveling to another country, then planning before 90 days from the start of your journey is a good practice. The next tip is to club different places in a single trip. This helps you save money and visit neighboring destinations in one go. For example, if you have the number of days already in mind, then you can plan the number of destinations according to it. So it is just a small weekend, then it's better you visit only one place. If you have close to a week, then you can club two places, and if you have more time, then you can add another location, and so on and so forth. When traveling, please keep in mind that you are going to a place for a few days and not permanently shifting there. So there's no need to pack bags and bags of stuff which will eventually tire you as you are the one who has to carry it everywhere. Instead, pack only essential items in a compact bag which will keep your energy levels high and stress level low. It is not everywhere that you will find decent food options during your journey, so it is best to carry something. Especially if you're a vegetarian, then traveling international can be difficult as most places do not have decent veg options. So items like dry fruits, peanuts, laddus or theplas, fruits are a good bet when you can't find anything outside. But please do not carry soft fruits like banana. Stick to firm fruits only. Now, if you're traveling to any place and you are a foodie and don't mind trying out the local cuisine, some delicious, some weird, then do some research beforehand about the most popular food items and delicacies of the region so that when you visit the place, then you can enjoy authentic regional food by the locals. Every region is different and the flavor palette is diverse, which makes the travel experience more fruitful and memorable. My next tip is to try to walk as much as you can, as it is the best way to get to know the place and feel its culture and vibes. It is free of cost and good for your body and mind. Just keep a map in hand to help you maneuver your way through the city and you will be alright. Always explore the place before booking. What I mean by that is that once you reach your destination, just walk out of your hotel and roam the nearby streets and have a look around. Ask some locals about the place and food and you will get some good information out of them. You can then decide how and where you want to go on your journey and the cost of each activity, so you can bargain and plan your trip accordingly. If you made it till the very end, then thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Yatrika Diaries. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.